sa più, cosa so, cosa faccio? Ma di fuoco ne so, non ti piaccio, ogni donna che gioca, ogni donna mi fa palpitare, ogni donna mi fa palpitare, ogni donna mi fa palpitare.
You're probably wondering why there's a hair in your screen. Well, I've got the answer. A few weeks ago, I came across a video on YouTube that portrayed the famous Ratatouille movie, and then I had an idea. What if I made a house for Ratatouille? Or maybe a house for a rat's house. Yeah, you get the idea. Well, since I already had some cardboard lying around, I decided to put it to good use. So I got some measurements, and I'll be using instantly for this project. While making the wheel, I realized that I needed to add more matchsticks to help it get that round shape I was aiming for. I've always loved the idea of owning a pet ever since I was a kid because it made me feel a sense of responsibility to both myself and to nature. And I'm beginning to realize it's actually the main reason I decided to make a pet house. Besides, I could have made just a doll house or another miniature house like the ones I usually do, but I chose to make a rat house even though I don't really like rats. And I've got to learn a lot about them, like the fact that they could hold their breaths for over 3 minutes and that they do have flexible skeletons, not like humans, and they're also great pets. But I do have a question for you. Why own a rat as a pet when you could literally have a hen that feeds you? Why?